I challenge you to a listing battle. That's right. For the entire month of May, I challenge each of you to battle me in a month-long listing challenge. If you are new here, I am Angie Resells, and I am a full-time reseller selling on eBay for over 25 years, support my family doing eBay, and I want to help you reach your goals. So, you know it's this time of year, right, where garage sales start happening and the weather just gets nice. We're outside doing more things. We go out to these yard sales and we buy all this inventory, and then what do? It becomes our death pile, right? Unfortunately, when we get out there, we really want to just spend more time outside and we forget about the essentials of being consistent with our business. So I thought of as a way for us to all work and help each other be more consistent, I challenge you to join me for the month of May, for the whole month of May, in listing on your favorite platform all month long. Okay, so here's how it works. You need to decide on the number of listings you want to commit to each week and then give an overall number for the entire month of May. You don't necessarily have to list every single day, but you want to use those weekly goals as a way to keep you on track for the whole month. Because guys, you don't want to be listing 250 items on May 30th trying to get your numbers in. That's not how we're going to do it. Now, is there a set number to list? No, it's what works for your business, because we're all doing it at different amounts with different quantities. So really, it's just what works best for you. Kind of what I recommend is if you're normally doing maybe 10 listings a week, maybe bump it up just a little bit to maybe 15 items for the week. But if you're someone like James, my boring reseller life, you might need to up your goal to like 15,000 instead of your normal 12,000 for the month. But we all can't be James, so... And the other aspect of the challenge is I want us to get out of our comfort zone and start cross-posting your items to other platforms. Over the last several months, I joined Vendoo, and I'm loving the platform and the ease of use of cross-posting. Now, I'm doing all of my listings to Mercari and to Poshmark. I might expand over to Facebook very soon. But really, no matter what platforms you're on, Mercari, Poshmark, Facebook, or ones like Grailed, Kidizen, or even Etsy, Vendoo can help you grow your business by getting more eyes on your listings. And, if you are lucky enough to find luxury goods, my wish, find luxury goods. But if you're one of those people who actually finds luxury goods, Vendoo just collaborated with Vestiaire Collective, which is a site specifically for those designer high-end luxury goods, and you can actually cross-post now on Vendoo to the Vestiaire Collective, which is super exciting. Unfortunately, I don't have too much luck with finding very many luxury items. I guess I'm not looking in the right place, right? So if you have not started cross-posting yet, below is the link for you to go right now and check it out. You start with 5 listings for free just to get an idea of how the system works, but then you get 25% off your first month with the link below. So try it so we can see how it's driving our sales. Guys, you know me, I was not a believer at all when I first started. I wanted to be able to say, oh, this isn't working for me. But the sales are showing a difference for sure. I mean, I just today sold this Pottery Barn Kids Thanksgiving tablecloth that was new and packaged that I've had on eBay for quite a long time, and it sold for full price $45 on Poshmark. That would have never happened if I wasn't cross-posting. So I'm actually loving the additional sales for sure. So I know people worry about the summer slowdown, right? Everybody hears about the slump that comes in the summer. But I can tell you from experience that if you continue putting on quality items and you are listing consistently, that you should continue to have really good sales all summer long. And with cross-posting, it's literally going to put tons more eyes on each one of your products. So I really want us to like try that out for a month, see what we think, and see if it's making a difference in your business. So I think the way I want to have this set up is that we're going to connect on Sundays. I'm going to let you know how I'm doing, but I want to know how your sales are going, how many you're listing, and if you're meeting your weekly goals for that whole month-long period. I just really don't want to start this yard sale season because it's ramping up like crazy with a giant death pile. So my personal goal is when I get items on the weekend from garage sales to try to have them listed the same week. Paul, Philly Flipper, it was really, really good about that, but he has a death pile too. So Paul, you might want to start with this challenge as well. We're going to have to get on him and tell him he needs to get in here. Of course, you know, sometimes when you go to yard sales, you're going to hit the mother load. There's so many items that you can't possibly list them all in a week, and that's okay. But the goal is to try to do as many as you can before you go out again for yard sales so you don't come up with this giant death pile. So that's my goal. I'm really trying to stick with that. And the reason being is I think if you stick with a routine, then you're much more likely to meet your goals than if you don't have a plan in place. What is that saying? If you fail to plan, you plan to fail, right? So one of the ways that you can keep on track with me this month is every Tuesday between 1 and 3 Central, Kristen, a rural squirrel, and I, we get together sometimes with Paul, Philly Flipper, sometimes with some of our friends, whoever comes on, but we want you there. It is 2 hours of live listing. You get to hang out with your kind of co-workers, us, your friends, and together we're going to go ahead and spend those 2 hours trying to list as much as we can, hopefully at least 10 items during that time. It's fun, we hang around, we joke, and hopefully we all get some work done so that we can continue meeting our goals. So it's a great way for you to stay on track. If you are not a part of that yet, you want to check it out on Tuesdays on my channel, Angie Resells, from 1 to 3 Central. Oh, and if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, and it will actually notify you when we go live. So you can join right in with us. So I will tell you that my personal goals, I'm going to put them below as well for you because I think that's fair, right? Okay, my personal goals, I'm going to say 150 items a week. I want it to be obtainable, so I don't want to go too high. So 150 items a week with a total of 600 for the month of May. Now, there are more than just 28 days, 4 weeks, so that gives you a little bit of buffer to kind of give you some extra days in there. So I just think if you say your goal is 15, make your monthly goal 60. So for me, I'm doing 150 a week, so 600 for the month of May. And the other thing I'm going to do is make sure that I'm cross-posting using Vendoo. Let's be real, Mom is going to be listing those to Mercari and Poshmark because she is the Vendoo queen now. She loves the program. But we're a team. That counts, right? We can count that. Okay, I challenge you, but really, this is a goal for your own self. This is to help your business. I want you to attack this battle as a battle against yourself, that you can do it and you can commit to your business this month. I think consistency is key. It doesn't have to be every single day, but it definitely needs to be every single week. So your excuses are gone, guys. It is time for you to commit to do more for your business in the month of May. I challenge you every Sunday. You're going to meet here. Now, right now, I want you to put your goals down in the comments. How many you're going to list every single week and your total goals. Write it down in the comments and write it down and put it on a post-it note on your computer so that it's something you see every single day. And remember, I'm going to be checking on you over the course of the month to see how you're doing. But that means I have to do it too. So it's really a battle for myself to help me stay motivated and keep my business going strong. I hope you're with me, guys. All right, check in next Sunday. Put your goals below. We can do this. We got this. Let's go.